how close I got it with the weed eater too.
Oh, nice.
You see it,
Oh, I
Bill?
don't need a ladder. Oh, yeah, shit.
I thought you saw when we were just standing there.
Nope. I was looking for the flyers.
Well, they're there.
They're the scouts. They're looking for another place right now.
Okay.
So, odds are you're probably going to lose that limb.
That's fine. I don't care.
How big is that limb?
Not very big.
It's called a prime swarm. That's the
What does that mean?
first swarm of the season.
Oh.
They're swarming too early.
Okay. We got a hive. He's got a hive. I got my wagon here to help carry stuff. And he's got his smoker doodah and some other stuff. I don't know anything about bees, the bee business. Not my scene. And so he's gonna do his thing and I'm just gonna watch and film quietly because I'm wearing all dog clothes. I don't know if that actually means anything or not, but I heard rumors.
Because you're going to be hot, because it's hot out here.
I know it is hot.
Bees go up and away.
Right.
If they get in your shirt, just let them go up and away.
Got a nice assortment of palm fronds.
Well, we're going to set this in there.
There's a whole nother branch. Are they dead down there?
Nope. Very much not dead.
Holy crap.
Let's give them a little while. Maybe they'll regroup. They will.
Yeah, this, look at them over there. There's a whole nother swarm over there. Holy crap.
They could be going back over there. I might not have got the queen. How do I get over there?
You go through here, make a right, and go through there. Don't take the whole thing down, hun. Okay, I'll show you where they are. You're gonna have to move that water bowl. I'll show you where they are.
Reachable? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a lot better than the other. It's still flying. We got a little more. Let's go that way. Go that way.
And just look at the swarm.
I got it back.
Look at this. That is crazy. It's like two swarms decided to join each other. I don't know how to explain it. I've never seen anything like this.
You got some, that'll work.
I'll get them right now.
Get your long hair.
You want my loppers?
Yeah, get them too. Just in case. Now we want to wheel this thing back. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right underneath it. And I got a thing over here to like my ankle. Turn it this way. You got an ankle wear? Yeah, I got an ankle wear. Lid, please. Got the inside cover. Anyone? You did it already?
Yes, I got it on film.
No, I missed it.
I'm sorry moving the camera, guys, but I'm fighting a fence right here, so.
Back out of here, Tony.
zoomed in so you can see what's going on. Insane the loyalty they have to that queen and the measures they'll take to get in to her. Isn't that crazy?
Hold on.
That's it.